PRP hair restoration. People asking me a lot what all this procedure about, how soon they will see results. So I want to go in details and explain you what the PRP hair restoration is consists of, how the steps are, and what we are doing in the clinic. After patient coming, and we will do in detailed consultation, we want to understand if this patient is still will be benefiting from the PRP hair restoration, and if he or she is benefiting, then we will proceed to the step number 2, which is taking patient's blood. Then we will just take the blood through the separation of their plasma. Then we will numb the patient. I love to numb them with the topical anesthetic first, then I will just inject with lidocaine. We'll wait a few minutes until the numbing will start working, it will kick in. Meanwhile, their PRP will go, their blood will undergo preparation. Then the process starts. We're using microneedling device that will just open up channels where I will be just applying PRP, and then I will be just literally microneedling it through the scalp to the hair grows to the area where we have the follicles. What we're doing, we're also using the special product. I'm not gonna tell you which one. Every clinic has their own secrets. We have our own secrets too. And this product literally working as a fertilizer for the PRP and for the hair, like hair follicles themselves. And what's happening after we will apply the product, we'll apply the PRP and microneedle, and you have to microneedle in the different layers and the different depth to stimulate the vascularization in the area, and you want just basically your follicles get more blood supply and more innervation. That's how you're knowing that you will be stimulating new hair growth. Then we will just, after we will be done, we will put patient under the lights for the faster healing. And we ask them to come for follow-up visit in about 4 to 6 weeks. And total, we expect our patients will undergo about 3 sessions. After that, we want them to come every 3 to 6 months for the maintenance procedures. Maintenance is the key because you will be investing money in the procedure and you want to maintain your results. After first treatment, will you see improvement? Probably no. What you will notice that you will have less hair will falling off. Like in the shower, you will see there is a less hair. When you combing, there will be less hair. After second treatment, what all my patients are telling me, they're reporting that they start seeing baby hair, and I see that too, and that's where I'm just getting very happy with my patients too, because you know, like kind of when you're doing procedure and you see results, that way you get more excited. And yeah, and with the third treatment, there is a more growth of baby hair, and they get longer and stronger, and that's it. And please come for the maintenance when you will choose your provider. Also, what's very important, because lately a lot of people start claiming they're doing PRP. Guys, don't be fooled by $30 centrifuge that they're buying on Amazon and just spinning randomly blood and just pulling whatever from the blood. Majority of the time they just putting PPP, platelet pure plasma, and just applying it and just claiming that it's caused and it's a PRP. And don't be cheap by don't be tricked by very cheap procedure as well, because good PRP cannot be very cheap, and also it should not be so expensive. Some people charging like an arm. Then I'm thinking I will go and do hair restoration. Why I have to spend so much money, you know? But that's my personal opinion. So it should be reasonably priced, and you have to check your provider. They cannot be someone who's doing PRP once in a while, once out of blue moon. We're doing it regularly in the office. Every day we have few cases. And besides that, like to make you feel even better, we've been one of the first clinics in Los Angeles who bring PRP about 10 years ago as a cosmetic procedure. You know, PRP known for years as being a treatment in the orthopedic surgery, heart surgery, and aesthetics came slightly later. So we're one of the first in LA. It's a big plus for us. Also, I am doing trainings on PRP, and if you will be interested in schedule that, you also can contact our office. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to just write the questions and I will be answering to them. Thank you. Stay tuned.